If you're looking for a recliner that feels as good as it looks and works just as hard as you do, this might be the one. Today, we're taking a look at the Watson & Whiteley Genuine Leather Power Recliner Chair. So, right out of the box, you can tell this chair means business. It arrives well packaged and protected, and setup is surprisingly simple. If you've ever wrestled with a bulky recliner, you'll appreciate how easy this is to assemble. Just snap on the backrest, plug it in, and you're literally good to go. Let's talk about what you are really buying here. Premium top grain leather. This is genuine leather, not the fake stuff. It's soft to the touch, breathable, and surprisingly easy to maintain. It adds a touch of luxury to any space, whether it's for your living room, home office, or even a high-end RV setup. One of my favorite features is the wall hugger design. The recliner only needs a few inches of clearance to fully recline. That makes it a smart choice for very tight spaces or compact rooms. It's especially great for apartments or anyone who wants to fully recline without the chair eating up into the whole room. Now, let's get into the tech. The dual motor system lets you adjust the footrest and the headrest independently. That means you can go feet up without cranking your neck, or dial in the perfect Netflix napping position. The power headrest is smooth, quiet, and way more useful than you might expect. Once you try it, you will not go back. You've also got a USB and Type-C charging port built right in. Whether you're charging a phone, tablet, or controller, it's all within arm's reach. No more fumbling with cords or getting up mid-movie to find an outlet. You ready to get up? Just hit the one-touch return to home button and the chair resets itself to the upright position smoothly and automatically. It's a small detail, but it makes a big difference.
It has a USB Type-C outlet, a USB outlet, return back to the original position. This is the headrest adjustment. Comes all the way out, goes all the way back in. This is the feet adjustment.
The Watson & Whiteley Power Recliner is a blend of comfort, convenience, and modern design. Whether you're upgrading your living room or creating a cozy media corner, this chair delivers on every front. Check it out and see for yourself.